Hi there, so I'm going to give a brief overview of Siteimprove and its reporting functionality. Siteimprove is a tool used by web services that will soon be made available to faculty marketing specialists. This tool will allow you to better manage and maintain the website through quality assurance and accessibility. So here in front of me I have recently run a report. This is for CCOL specifically. So this is an up-to-date account of all of the errors that are currently live on the CCOL pages of the Algonquin site. So starting with misspellings, at the moment you can see that we have 5 misspellings total that are affecting 8 pages. These are actually all, or 4 of these misspellings are part of course descriptions, and those are hard-coded into the website, and you can go into the reports and you can take a look at any of the errors that are generating and see exactly where on the site they're appearing. So this shows where these ones are. And you can see up here that this is a course one, so that's how I know that it's a course versus a program, and those are all hard-coded into the website. So I can't actually make those changes because they need to be made in Genesis, but this report did make me aware of the misspelling, so I could at least reach out to the appropriate people to make the changes, so those are all currently underway. While waiting for those corrections, though, the 5th misspelling is on a program page, which I have access to as a content manager, so we will take a look at fixing that. And then we have the number of broken links. Right now it's just the 1. I actually intentionally broke this prior to the recording so I could use it as an example. And then after doing that, I ran a new report through Siteimprove, which picked up on the error and is now providing this most up-to-date information. Then we have the important highlights. This is the most recent one because obviously it just picked up on this. We also have the list of priority pages, so you know exactly where you should be paying attention. You can do single page checks to see if there's any errors on a given page. But what we'll do, this is just a general overview of the reporting features. So what I'll do now to show how it works is I will pause the recording, and actually just to give an example here, before I actually fix the changes, I will show the changes I'm going to fix. So this one is for the Screenwriting 1 course, and the actual error is right here. Skills is missing the I. And the broken link I'll be fixing is here on the technical writer page, and this link is currently directing to a 404 error. So I'm going to pause the video, go into WordPress, make these fixes, and then I will show how to go into Siteimprove and get the data updated. Okay, so I've gone ahead and made the appropriate WordPress changes. On the Technical Writer full-time page, you can see that this link has now been fixed. Goes to the proper spot. And on the Screenwriting course page, you can see that the skills typo has been fixed and the word's now spelled correctly. So we'll go back to Siteimprove and run new reports to get these numbers updated. So under the Quality Assurance drop-down, you'll find Reports. Wait for that to load up. Okay, so this is where you'll find everything from the misspellings, broken links. So we're going to start with a broken links report, so we'll run that. For group, we want to select Center for Continuing and Online Learning so that we don't get the results for the school-wide website. Format, you can do PDF or HTML. We'll do HTML, and I don't need to be notified by email. Run the report. Usually it's fairly quick. There you go, it's already done. Download report. And no pages with broken links found. That's excellent. And then we'll do the same process for the misspelling report. Center for Continuing Online Learning, HTML, don't need to be notified. Download the report. And this does also include the potential misspellings, which is just something you need to go through the system and tell it, like, no, this is fine. But in terms of actual misspellings, screenwriting, because all of those will be situated near the top. Screenwriting is no longer there. So exit out, go back to the home page. Once again, select Center for Continuing and Online Learning, so we only see those results. We now have our green smiley face indicating there are no more broken links. And you can see the misspellings have gone down from 5 to 4, only leaving the coarse ones that were discussed earlier. And that gives a brief overview of the Siteimprove reporting functionality. Thanks.